Hey guys, Chris here. I got a couple unboxings to do. I got two packages came in from two different people. I'm just gonna do them together. One's Brett Nelson, Pipe Dream Toys. Check him out. He's pretty good. And the other one is Jerry Pickthall, Basket Batchers Disc Golf. He's out of Oklahoma. He's a cool guy. He's doing MVP in Axiom and Discmania. So I got some Discmania stuff from him, and I got some MVP stuff from Brett Nelson. I've already cut the package open. Sales receipt. Check that thing out. That is an MVP tangent, plasma tangent from the Circuit series for MVP. That thing is beautiful. And I got my cat up here. I got a plasma nano. That looks really cool. Been wanting to get one of those. Pretty sweet. And let's see what we got out of the box here. Well, he's got these things wrapped really good. C-Line Glow MD3 180 with the mini shield stamp. Pretty awesome. I heard these things are pretty badass. I've got a C-Line. This is, I believe, a CD2 with a mini. CD2 175. I've started throwing my CD, and I'm really liking it. So that'd be a good one. And then last but not least, another Glow Line MD3. So I got twins. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't believe so. Nope. So pack this stuff up real quick. Do a quick follow up from the in the unboxing. So I got twin 180 gram NB3 Glow C-Line. I got C-Line CD2 with my mini to go with it. And then plasma nano, plasma tangent. That thing is freaking crazy. Look at all those lines and bubbles. That's insane looking. But that's a wrap. Signing off, Chris. HardcoreDiscGolf.com, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Hit me up. Later, guys. Keep slinging that plastic.